Grabe ang super duper ganda ng series na ito, Pagbungad Agad. Si Miss Bel Mariano daw ang nakita nila. Pero yes mga kaibigan, mayroon daw special participation ang isang Bel Mariano sa Incognito mga kaibigan, and it's going to start very very soon. It's a project ng ABS-CBN at ng GMA ba? But then yes, ang mga kasama dito sa series nito ay si Maris Racal, Anthony Jennings, Daniel Padilla, Richard Gutierrez, and marami pang iba. Ian Veneracion, nakita po natin sa trailer. So yes, narito po ang official trailer with audio po mga kaibigan.
This is a business transaction. The moment umuo kayo, you have to finish the job.
Verify target.
Confirming that.
Eagle, papunta na kami sa exit point. Confirm if it's clear to proceed.
Go.
Death is always a possibility.
3, 2, 1. Boom! Bagong kontrata. Name your price. Kailangan namin ng tulong.
Contractor.
JB, I have a job for you.
Ano to? Extraction, rescue.
2 million pesos. Complete payment.
Palitulong.
Sino mga kasama ko?
Andres!
You all have one thing in common. You were all discharged. This is a business transaction. The moment umuo kayo,
So yes, that is the trailer for Incognito mga kaibigan, and ito yung dahilan kung bakit hindi nakadalo si Maris Racal and Anthony Jennings sa Star Magical Ball dahil po sa taping. Napaka-rigid pala ng taping nito. Grabe. Sobrang aksyon at maraming patayan. Violence po ang bit-bit nito. I don't know the flow of the story. I think it's a gang against mayaman. I'm not sure about that. But then yes, nakita natin ang mukha ni Bel Mariano in there na kidnap ba? Hindi natin alam. So, aalamin pa lang natin ang buong istorya niyan at alamin natin kung kailan mag-uumpisa. Ang alam natin ay this story is more of violence, more of killings, more deaths, and it talks about money, working for someone in exchange of big money. So that is the trailer of Incognito mga kaibigan. Action na action dito si Richard Gutierrez and Daniel Padilla. Kasama sa story si ayun, Christopher De Leon. Sino pa ba ang nakikita ninyo? I-drop nyo na lang po yan sa comment section mga kaibigan. This is Alexander Lex the Juice. Magandang umaga.